Here I've got LG Velvet, and let me show you how to change icons on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select not display but wallpaper and dim, and here go to icon. And as you can see here you've got some icons. Let me choose some free one. Click on option that you would like to apply. Here it is, this is how it will look like, and then just click on download. And finally click on apply. Wait a couple of seconds until it is done. And here it is, as you can see it is changed, so we've got cut everywhere, and also they are shaped a bit differently. And this is it, this is how you can change it. So that would be all. This is how you can change icons, how you can download them and then apply. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.